Kaseng ka papan krep ban penyang kyrtong hak eleksyon nong tau an cika yung dorbar ka jela Meghalaya mentau senam arjar pulai kala pentip baki paidbah kila no synñiang sa kaseng jan kot sipau lak tingka nak benta ki kyrtong jongka. Kumban syukudau baka KAM kala rai ban penyang kyrtong daga kong Angela rengat ka kong wan penhun khar sentiu bot pastor kersoi bor pertu.
Ya kani ka campaign ka jongi hi kumba barok ngetip kani ka campaign ka ba la kershan tege taki paidbah nong song snong tinggi khot ru ya kani ka platform ka KAM platform ba kani ka campaign ka jong ki paidbah nama la kershan ru ya ka taki paidbah hi te hadu menta nadu benai yayong basdang nadu benai April hadu ka benai hadu kat kalai kuai tarik jong benai December ka KAM kalayo ban lum ya synñiang ubakot chaka khandai lak arphun reu hazar reu spa lai phun reu tangka bat na pedang kata ka khandai lak tam ga bangi layo ban lum kapisa komba saulak lai phun reu hazar ar spa tangka kadai kabalano synñiang daki brio bat kinong song snong jong ka jela Meghalaya ka jongi te kabatam nangka kadai ka bangi layo ru nakiwei pat ki parlok kinong kershan ki jongi bana bar jela te ya kani kapisa ngilaya penlut khambun hakabaya dai bat ka mo kajing penlut haka lek kawan ru jongki candidates baki lek banya campaign ki jaka ba fer kajing penlut akabenta ka bailai jongka KAM office kabadon haki arjaka kata kawai hari sabha bat kawai hapo malki kajing penlut bangin penmi ya ka campaign ani ka theme song jongka KAM Meghalaya nangta kajing penlut ka bangi print ki kot ki slamo ba kumki ki campaign materials ki bangi ngi ai shaki nong song snong haki por bangi lek bandung shaki yeng ki jongki ki pakan thop ka jingtip ka babania shaphang jongki candidate ka jingtip ka babania ka bangi tho shaphang jong ka KAM Meghalaya kum ka campaign but ru ka survey form ka bangi ngi ai shaki nong song snong but ka jingtmu jong ka survey form hi ka long ba ngikwa ba ki nong song snong kindon ya kata gajing ya bynta ka ba khmat bakin manra ya kita kimat ki issue ki bakta gajing em gajing long jong ki ka ba man la kasngi but lesi kita kimat ki ba maki ki akan do jing hi kinlong kimat ki bangin manra banshna ya kita kimat trekam lani ki manifesto la da kalong haka constituency lani haka jilla borok kawai constituency level manifesto but state level manifesto but ka basngau tanat kalong ba na pedang kini kilong yang ki bangi ngilarung bangin sa mi kini ki kolong kedop ki bangi la ya penkre kumba nyau ko pesan na kilong yang kila ya mo kila ya penpau ya ka jingsngau ka jongki da ka bakila penpai pat kini ki survey form shangi bat ka ai ka ba maki kila pensngau kalong ba na kita kilai ko pesan ki pelapan pai kini ki survey form shangi ban pensngau kita ki jingsngau ki jongki khandai pesan na kinong song snong ki penpau ba ki kwa banyo ya kita ki nong mi khmat lani ki MLA ki ba la ban thau an bat policy na ka benta ka bha kamiat ban penbha ya ka jing em jong uwei ba uwei bre ha ka jela.
We want to put on record our gratitude to each and every household that has opened their doors to us, to come and meet them, to have an understanding from them about what are the issues they are facing, what are the issues in the constituency, and also the expression of what they hope for our state. So we're very happy because almost 70% in every of these three constituencies, East, North and South Shillong, we have been able to meet at least 70% of the households in these constituencies. And we have learned so much, and when we went to meet people, we felt that we should not just, go and spend 5 minutes and say hello, we're going to contest elections and please vote for us. We feel that people have a right. People have a right to know who they are going to elect. They have a right to know who the candidates are, which is why from the very beginning we had spent quite a bit of whatever we raised on publishing a lot of campaign material. Every household we went to, we distributed this, which is in 3 different languages. Hindi, Khasi, English, and some places even Bengali or Nepali or whatever the language in that area demanded. It is like a letter to the people where we talk about who we are. People have a right to know our background. What is our educational background? What work have we done? And why are we contesting elections? So that was one of the materials we distributed to each and every household. The second is the KAM document, which is very elaborate because we feel that there has to be a basis on which we are launching our fight and our struggle to better our state. And the KAM document highlights in detail what we stand for, almost sector-wise. So we believe that people also were very happy to receive these documents because many of them have engaged with us on these documents, have questioned us or have disagreed with us. And the other thing which we distributed was this survey form. It's a two-sided survey form, again in different languages. And the purpose of this survey form was, again, to understand from the people what is it that we need for our state and our constituencies.
Agapor kabangi ïakhun bersya ia ke bamsap ke jela Meghalaya. Ngilayo ia ke an right to information. Agaba ngila bentip ia ke jingtrekam jong ki sarkar ki beper. But ngilay dan bentaru agaba ïakhun banwanra ia ke takaan lok ayupta. Kaban bentrekam nagabenta ki kam bian bat ki kam bamsap ke sensar ke khadar. But hadu mentaru ngidang ya yaksaj bangidang ya ïakhun ya kata ke sensar ba trekam trejam ke basai bat ke baai jingkhen ke accountability ba ke transparency. But ngin sipen kan mau ya piru ba haman la ki election la kumno lai ba sautli ki election ni ju dawa hagatu ko por ngimpat mi sakmat bani kun ya ke election ni ju dawa na ki candidate but na ki seng san hima bani dawa bani ong yethu nangno piyo ya kepisa man kersan ye pi ban pelut na gabenta ke election ban ni ju dawaru kum kinong song ban ong ba yethu kumno pi pelut konsep hagapor election ti kita kimpat juja haga jela ga jongi namar menta bede namar banginget haga sensar khadar ka basai ban ka bai jingken ni wan sakmat menta ban yethu Syaki paidbah ban ai gani ka kai pot nadu ko rukom bangi ya ye hadu nangnung ilom ke pisa pila banne che ke website ke jung pension ki briu ki baper ki bano synñiang ban kersan ini ban kani kalong ru ke por ke bangin dawa biang sajisin namar ba ladang kumnung ini kon ya ga jing bamsap lada mangi daladi hi ngim yetu nangnung iyo bat kumno ni pelut dan kata-kata kani ke election arajar apulai kalong ke pokongsan namar bangi ïakhun lingkong ya ka bamsap ni ïakhun ru ya ki kambian bat ki kam thombor ki baper bat ni ïakhun ru ya kata ke jinglong ke jingman ha ke imlang ke salang ke jungi menta I kumbangin suya penyap in suya syok in suya dat para brio lara nyimla bani khunni kini gi lightly gi jing ibadan ha yamna ka salam ngatrai ke jela ke jungi kanum poi sino tinga bandiang ha gani ke por ba menta ke singiru ngin penmi ya ka Kyrwoh jingker par ha gani ka wat ka baar sya ki nong song snong bakin kersan yangi da ka sap ke jongki kilaban ai ko por ke jongki namar hadu mentar ngidan ni ki parolok ki bam ai da ke pisan re ki ai da ke met ngidan kam bale chene satai ban senran ni bangili rungyeng le ni kendu ki breng ki pelong ki meeting ki kersani kum gitar ngi pedang soba dendre ngidang don kamru ya ke pisa naga benta ki jing pelut ki ban nang ni benta ke singi hadu ke singi ba ngin nyo ya kita ki vote hadin bangila dan top vote tukumta hagani ko por ngi kerpat ru pi ki media darong bala ba pin share ki channel ki jongpi ya gani ka video appeal ki jongi lani Kyrwoh jingker par knang bagi brief kin tip bar bikin la ban no synñiang sya ka campaign ke jongi